Welcome to KIDZANIA Adventure. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening a surprise. First, I'll use this for this Ryan's biggest blind bag. We have 8 surprises inside. Stickers, we have some accessory, and this one is the sticker, and this one build a figure, articulated figure, accessories, down, we put some slime, and this one is blush. And here we go, and we're gonna open it. We're gonna open. Go. We're going to open this cutter. Alright, let's open it. Alright, there you go. Open. Open. Over this. Right, this. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, first we will do this one. Alright, this. Will you open it? Here. Is that the mystery slime? What is it? Let's open it. Oh! Look at this. It's Ryan's world. Let's open this. Whoa. Whoa! Cool. See? It's a slime. Alright. Oh no! No, mommy. Oh my gosh! Look at that! This is so funny. Put this. Oh, okay. So look at this. Oh! Ooh. So look at this. Alright, I'll put this slime. Alright. Right, stop. 3, 2. Whoa. What is this? Oh, look at this. What is this? Is this a shovel? How about this? We open this. Up. Oh! There. I have it. This! Now we have the Ryan's World Big Surprise. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Stickers. Yeah. This is Red Titan. And next is Dark Titan and Red Titan. And Red Titan, all of the pictures. And Red Titan, and not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 6 stickers over there. Whoa! It makes like a Lego. Oh look, you see? It makes like a Red Titan. Okay. Right there. Oh! We have a pizza. And what's this? It's a hand. A video game. Video toy. The video game toy. And how about the next? Let's see here. Whoa, it's so fast. Whoa, look at what I'm wearing. It looks like a map. Whoa, I'm a red titan. Alright, next I'll use this. This one's kind of big. Yeah, because it's a... let's use it. Get it. Whoa! One more. Oh! One more. Whoa! A robotic look.
Those are the legs.
And more, where is it?
The other arm.
The wall. There's another arm. Alright. Oh! Open it. Alright. Oh! Whoa! This is not the arm. What is this?
That's the arm.
The arm. What's
The
this?
other inside.
The last one?
That's the body.
The body.
Yeah.
Build a figure robot. Whoa. Alright, next.
Are you going to build your robot? To the
Up first. Is this the down?
find the head and the chest.
So we have this. This one is and this one is face. This one is a head. Whoa!
Next.
Oh, look at this.
Is that an arm?
Yes. Oh, what? Oh, I built a robot. So look at it. Whoa. Like this. Squishy.
Is it squishy? What do
Yes.
you think it is?
Let's open. I think it's pep. I think it's that pep. I think it's pep because that's purple one, the penguin. Right, let's open. Yes, it's squishy. See? It's Ryan's. It's Red Titan. Wow. Alright. So that is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the missing? 8! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I forgot the mascot. Guys. Alright, let's dig it. Because it's a dig. The dig surprise. We have the dig surprise. Now we have to dig it.
Open.
Yep. Oh no! Look at it. It's breaking. Like this. Let's dig it. Red.
You found something?
Yeah. It's over here. I found something. I seen a red thing. I seen red thing. It's red. Come on, do it again. body. Look at it. Crap. Look at it. Get it. Get it. Alright, let's use it. Look at how's it. Try it. No. I got the pizza. So you got the pizza? We got a pizza. I'll give you red Titan to play video games. Thanks for watching. Bye. 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 Please like, share, and subscribe.